Yo, hey, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair trimmer from Kemei with the model number 2288. So, I bought the wrong trimmer. I thought I bought another one because I was about to buy another one and I didn't know I just bought this one. I thought it's the same. So, when I received it, I saw it's not the same. So, well, it doesn't mean let's unbox this one. And yo, the specs got 1200 milliamp battery here and here. The back here got 2 hours charging time and 120 minutes operating time with 5 watts. So that's it. Yeah. So this is the one I bought. The wrong one. I thought I bought this one. It's gonna be here. So inside you got a manual, charging cable, and it's I guess USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. You got 4 guide combs and a little brush. Okay. This is the trimmer, and it's a metal down. The bottom, I don't know if it's metal or not. So the charging port, USB-C, and I don't know why they keep making these screws. It's not good. Okay. You see, it's not straight. Okay, wait, let's zoom in. You can see it's not straight. I don't know why. And sure. You don't. So now the sound check. Okay, let's make an RPM test. It's a little bit heavy, I have to say, but it's okay. The back side. And you cannot zero gap this hair trimmer, which is very, very bad. Okay, so that's it. Peace, man.